a web any way you like.
But I didn't, Frenny. I was fast asleep on the plane.
You must have been sleep-webbing then. You made a web all across the windscreen and caused the plane to crash into the Goopoo Goopoo River.
It's not called the Goopoo Goopoo River. It's called the Krakana River.
What a strange name. Why Krakana?
Because it's full of crocodiles and piranhas.
What do we do now, Incy? The forest is too thick and dangerous to walk through.
Don't worry, Frenny. With your beauty and my brains, we will manage something.
Guess I'll just stand here looking beautiful then. That's ingenious, Incy. You really did good this time. Now let me add something to this.
Frenny, you've got us rowing oars.
Yes! Now let's get rowing and find a way out of this horrible jungle.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily.
Did you hear that, Incy? Who sang that?
I don't know, Frenny. Maybe it's the rowing affecting our ears.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily.
I definitely hear someone singing this time, Incy.
You are right, Frenny. We can't both have imagined the same song.
Merrily, merrily, merrily.
Let's continue rowing and see if the song comes back.
Everyone, let's start rowing! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Frenny, help!
Incy, I have an idea. Row around the crocodile. Just hold on tight. It's going to be a super speedy ride.
Achoo!
You did it, Frenny. You got us away from the hungry crocodile and straight to the rescue spot.
Incy, just because a girl is beautiful does not mean she is not brainy.
You are so right, Frenny. It's just that I thought that because I am brainy but not beautiful, the opposite must also be true.
Everyone is beautiful, Incy, even you, just in your own ways.
Eensy Weensy Spider and Frenny Fly were enjoying a holiday in the Goopoo Goopoo Islands.
Frenny, what did you think about my home?
I liked it, Incy, but I think it's much too sticky. I was having trouble just getting my feet off the floor.
Oh!
Plus, I don't like the sight of all those dead insects caught in your web.
What's that?
Sounds like a baby. Let's go look.
Incy Wincy Spider and Frenny Fly hurried into the jungle to look where the crying was coming from.
Look, it's coming from there.
Incy and Frenny made their way through the woods to discover a baby finger lying all alone in a sunflower.
Oh my, it's a baby finger. Shh, hush, baby finger, hush.
Let's take him to his parents. I know the Finger family home is just around the mango grove.
Incy and Frenny made their way to the Finger family home. The Finger family home looked just like a glove, with 4 chimneys sticking out of the top, looking like fingers, and a short side exit that looked like a thumb. Incy knocked on the door.
Oh, baby finger. Where were you? Daddy Finger's worried silly looking for you everywhere.
Mommy finger.
And so, Incy Wincy Spider and Frenny Fly were introduced to the Finger family. The Finger family treated them to a delightful meal of fried toenails and dead skin Crispies.
I'm so full I could fart.
Mrs. Finger, I'm curious. The side entrance is so small. How does anyone manage to get in and out?
Oh, all of us fingers can change sizes. Don't you know that? Children, show her.
And lo, in front of their eyes, Baby Finger, Sister Finger, and Brother Finger shrunk to half their sizes and back again.
That's amazing.
If you ever need our help anytime on this island, just sing, Daddy Finger, where are you?
Okay, we will remember that.
Incy Wincy Spider and Frenny Fly started to walk back to the beach. But they found their paths blocked by Hokey Pokey Pig and his henchmen, Git Got Goat and Smooth Smiley Swan.
Aha! You thought you had escaped me, but here I am again.
Incy and Frenny looked at each other, worried. It was only 3 days back that Incy had saved Frenny from Hokey Pokey Pig.
What do we do, Incy?
I know. Let's call the Finger family.
Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Are these 3 causing you any trouble? Don't worry, Finger family will take care of them.
Ow! Ooh! No!
They will not cause you any more trouble. We will make sure of that.
Oh, thank you! We are grateful to you!
Oh no, we are grateful that you found Baby Finger for us. And even if you had not, we would have helped you, because helping others is so much fun. And thus ended another nursery rhyme adventure with Incy Wincy Spider and Frenny Fly flying happily away into the sunset.
You've got to say this about fingers. You can always count on them.